Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your password on CoinMarketCap application. If you are looking for a way to change your login password for CoinMarketCap, then it is a pretty easy step to follow. First of all, open your CoinMarketCap application and make sure to log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand corner from the main home page. Now, you will be able to see this expanded menu. To change your password, you will need to tap on Settings. Under Security and Privacy, you will be able to see the Change Password button. Tap on it and then tap on Take Me There. This will then take you to this Reset Password tab, where you'll need to re-enter your email address associated with your CoinMarketCap account and tap on Send Instructions. Now you've received an instruction sent to your email. Go ahead and open your email inbox and open up the email from CoinMarketCap account. Now tap on Click here to reset password. Select a web browser to continue with, and on the next page, go ahead and type in the new password you would like to change to. Once typing in the new password that matches these criteria at the top, confirm it by typing it again in the next field. After you are done, tap on Save New Password and you have successfully changed your password. Now you will need to sign in with your new password and your existing email address inside your signing page and tap Login to log into your account with the new password. So that's how easily you can change your password on CoinMarketCap application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.